Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. Getting loaded up here at Mundo Hot Springs. Had a super good night last night. As you can imagine, tons of laughter. It was a really good time. Eric's leaving us today. He's got some stuff to take care of at home. So he's going to miss the last night in Phillips Lake. But he's heading straight into a family vacation, which is more driving, so can't hardly blame the dude. We're looking at an easy day today. I think we only got 100.5 miles or so, and that's intentional. Adding air to my tire still. Just got to get that looked at before the big trip in a couple of weeks. So I'm looking forward to get on the bike and get some air moving.
Of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down on wishing well. Let your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean where you don't have to dream because there's you.
Well, still a little shooken up. That was kind of scary. Doing 80. We're probably 10 miles outside of Baker City, and just started wobbling like fucking insane. Thought it was the tar snakes at first, but nope. My tire's flatter than hell. It would appear that the leak's getting quicker because I filled it up this morning. So Kate's walking up to check the exit number, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I think so.
Because we are shut down. It's a place called Liberty Motorsports. Came and picked us up. Actually, he had to go. His name's Patrick, the owner. He went, picked up the trailer, came and got us, brought us back. Gonna change my tire. I don't even think they're open today. Liberty Motorsports. They're legit.
They are legit.
Yeah, just taking care of us. I love the motorcycle community that does this kind of thing.
Yeah. It's good karma, man.
Awesome.
Good stuff.
Really taking care of us.
a day.
Longest short day I've ever had.
We're almost in Portland again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just hit after hit.
Yep.
Good riding.
Good
It
riding.
was good riding.
There was some amazing.
He did an amazing job keeping the bike up.
Yep.
Yeah, good job.
Everybody was safe.
Big cheers for that
Cheers.
one.
Old
Old
friends.
friends.
Old friends and new roads.
Waddell. You think me.
Oh, so good.
Beer is delicious.
Going to the bathroom, he said, hey, you guys looking for a spot? I said, yes, we are. He said, come on, where's your other guys? Right over there.
So yeah, trip didn't, they never do kind of end up going the way you think they're going to go. Never thought I'd be where we're at on our last night. But I am glad we're really close to home. We're about 100 miles outside of Portland. This is the Maryhill Recreation site. Maryhill something. Guy saved us a spot, if you will. We just tried camp after camp last night. Got later and later. We got more tired and more tired. We tried Crow Butte Park, that was where we stayed on the last night of Wimco Northwest. If you haven't seen that series, I'll put it somewhere. Guy was a dick. Beautiful, huge park, plenty of open space. I didn't think he wanted bikers there, but we moved along. Yeah, look forward to getting home on this one. We're just a couple weeks away from our long trip into Canada this year, so it was good getting out on this long of a trip. Really found out what I needed to work on. Turns out it was a rear tire. Anyway, I'm gonna start picking up camp. See you down the road.